Love, the most elusive and sought-after emotion, has captivated the hearts and minds of humanity since time immemorial. Countless poets, philosophers, and artists have attempted to unravel its mysteries, yet it remains an enigma. However, in the ancient scripture of 1 Corinthians 13 verses 4-7, we find a roadmap that leads us to the true essence of love. This passage reveals the unbreakable bonds that love can forge, and the transformative power it holds in our lives. Discovering the untold mysteries of everlasting love. Love, as described in 1 Corinthians 13 verses 4-7, is not merely an emotion but a commitment. It is patient, forgiving, and kind. True love perseveres through hardships, never giving up on its beloved. In a world filled with temporary connections and fleeting passions, understanding the depth and endurance of love can be truly transformative. One of the secrets to an unbreakable bond lies in patience. Love does not demand instant gratification, but rather, it waits with an unwavering faith. With patience, we learn to communicate effectively, to understand each other's needs, and to offer support no matter the circumstances. This virtue of patience builds a strong foundation for love to flourish, enabling us to weather the storms that life may bring. Forgiveness is another key element in creating unbreakable bonds. Love, as described in Corinthians, does not keep track of wrongdoings, but instead chooses to let go of past mistakes. By forgiving, we release the burden of resentment and open up space for healing and growth. It is through forgiveness that love can withstand the test of time, allowing relationships to evolve and become even stronger. Embracing the transformative power of 1 Corinthians 13 verses 4-7. 1 Corinthians 13 verses 4-7 goes beyond the surface level of love, delving into its transformative power. Love has the ability to shape us, molding us into better versions of ourselves. It teaches us to be selfless, to put the needs of others before our own. Love empowers us to be compassionate, to empathize with the struggles of those around us. When we truly embrace the principles laid out in this scripture, we unlock our full potential to love and be loved. By incorporating the qualities outlined in 1 Corinthians 13 verses 4-7 into our relationships, we not only create unbreakable bonds with our partners, but also foster a loving and harmonious environment for all. Love has the power to heal wounds, bridge divides, and bring light into the darkest corners of our world. Let us strive to embody the essence of love in our interactions, and watch as it transforms not only our relationships, but also the world at large. The wisdom found in 1 Corinthians 13 verses 4-7 reveals the secrets of love, inviting us to embark on a journey of understanding and growth. As we explore the untold mysteries of everlasting love, let us remember to be patient, forgiving, and kind. By embracing the transformative power of love, we can forge unbreakable bonds that stand the test of time. May these guiding principles inspire us to nurture love in all aspects of our lives, and may our relationships become a beacon of hope and compassion in a world in need of love.